In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Outlook emails. We're using the recommended method, exporting your mailbox to a PST file. This creates a complete, portable backup you can safely store and restore later if you switch computers, reinstall Outlook, or just want peace of mind. Start by opening Outlook. In the top left corner, click File to open the Backstage view. From there, choose Open and Export, and then select Import, Export. This launches Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which is where we'll create the backup. When the wizard opens, choose Export to a file and click Next. On the next screen, select Outlook Data File, .pst, then click Next again. A PST is the standard Outlook backup format. It contains your emails, and if you include subfolders, it can also capture folders like sent items, drafts, and any custom folders you've created. Now select the email account you want to back up. If you see the mailbox name at the top of the list, click it, and make sure Include Subfolders is checked. This ensures everything under that account is captured in one file. Click Next to proceed. Choose where you want to save the backup file. Pick a location you'll remember, like a dedicated backups folder, an external drive, or a secure cloud synced folder. Give the file a clear name with the date so you can identify it later, especially if you plan to keep multiple versions. Click Finish to start the export. At this point, Outlook may ask if you want to add a password to protect the backup. This is optional but helpful if you're storing the file somewhere shared. If you choose to set a password, use something you can remember or store it in a secure password manager. Without it, you won't be able to open the backup later. Outlook will begin creating the PST file. The time it takes depends on the size of your mailbox, so keep Outlook open and let it run. When it's done, your emails are now saved as a PST file. As a quick check, you can browse to the location you chose and confirm the file is there and has a reasonable size. That's it. Your full backup is ready. Keep this file in a safe place and consider keeping an extra copy in a different location for redundancy. When you need to restore it, you can use the same import/export option in Outlook to bring your emails back.